We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from our happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve our 5-star reviews. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.